அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு PK Chemistry. இன்றைய TRB கிளாஸ் வீடியோஸில் நம்ம பார்க்க இருப்பது ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஷின்ஸ் ஃபார் சாலிட் ஸ்டேட். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஷின்ஸ்: sodium chloride crystal exits in a FCC phase center cubic is a rock salt 6:6 ratio of the sodium and chlorine ions. Second, the Bragg equation n lambda equal to 2d sin theta. That the BCC arrangement, the edges length of the unit cell is the BCC unit cell length equal to A equal to 4R divided by root 3. FCC A equal to R into root 2 into root 2, therefore root 8. SC A equal to 2R. The presence of the free electrons in molecule that causes ferromagnetism. Short key defects in crystal is caused by the migration of the ion to the surface. Migration of the ion to the interstitial space என்பது Prinkel defect. Ferromagnetic and antiferromagnetic substance can be distinguished by neutron diffraction. The number of molecule of the cesium chloride unit cell is a BCC, the unit cell equal to 1. The order of increasing solubility of the ionic solids, the following compounds. The lactic energy inversely proportional to the solubility product. Therefore, A is the right answer. 9. Material which offers no resistance to passes the electricity. No resistance என்பது superconductor. Partially resistant என்பது semiconductor. Pure silicon, the doping process சொல்வது. நம்ம டோப்பிங் ப்ராசஸில் ரெண்டு விதமான டைப் ஆஃப் செமிகண்டக்ட் பார்ப்போம், பி டைப் அண்டு என் டைப். ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் எலமெண்ட்டோட டோப்பிங் ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணால் திஸ் இஸ் என் டைப், லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் எலமெண்ட் டோப்பிங் பண்ணால் இஸ் எ பி டைப். தேர்ஃபோர் பியூர் சிலிக்கான் டோப்ட் வித் போரான் என்பது பி டைப் செமிகண்டக்டர், பாசிட்டிவ் ஹோல் கிரியேஷன். என் டைப் என்பது வேலன்ஸ் எலக்ட்ரான். 11. What type of defect creates F center in crystals? F center crystal in the sodium chloride. This is a metal excess defect due to anion vacancies. 12. The solid as such in which tungsten atoms are located at the corner of the cube. Tungsten corner of the cube, corner means 8. Oxygen atoms are the center of the edges. Center of the edges 12. Sodium atom the center of the cube. Center of the cube 1. The formula of the compound is, therefore sodium 1, tungsten 1, oxygen 3. Therefore B is the right answer. 13. All spinel structure have the C-series of the anions. 14. The experimental density of the solid crystals is found less than the calculated density with the Frenkel defect. According to the band theory of the metals, there are closely spaced energy levels is called bands. The top of the filled energy level is known Fermi level. Which of the following is a diamond-like structure? Zinc sulfide, FCC 1:1 ratio. Calcium fluoride CCP structure. Rock salt FCC 6:6 ratio. 17. Copper crystallize in FCC lattice phase center. Calcium titaniate is known as peroxide type of the crystal structure, CaTiO3. This is a simple cubic. Nickel oxide adopts a rock salt structure. Rock salt சொன்னது நம்ம sodium chloride FCC தெரியும். The coordination number of the nickel 2 plus ion in nickel oxide crystal is 6. The unit cell of the dry ice என்பது dry calcium carbonate. This is FCC structure. Lattice energy of the crystals can be calculated by the Born-Haber cycle. The number of octahedral sites sphere in the FCC structure is 1. For the first order, n equal to 1, Bragg reflection. The Bragg angle of the incidence is 30 degree. Then THKL divided by lambda is equal to 1. In the phase center cubic cell, an atom of the phase center is shared by the 2. The sodium chloride structure, rock salt, each chloride is surrounded by 6. No Bragg reflection X-rays from the crystals will be observed in DHK smaller than of the lambda by 2. Sin theta maximum equal to 1. Therefore, L lambda divided by 2 theta less than or equal to 1. The crystal plane of which the interplanar spacing THL equal to A by root 12. A by root 12. This is formula equal to T by root of H square plus L square plus M square. Therefore, 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Therefore, root 12 is the right answer. Therefore, 2, 2, 2. The number of basic crystal system is 7 types of the basic crystal system. We know. The total number of elements of symmetry in cubic crystal is 23. The 7 types of highest symmetry cubic தான் இருக்கு. The coordination number of the BCC atoms in cubic structure is 8. The close packing maximum in the crystal which FCC structure, FCC then BCC then FCC. FCC also equal to the CCB. The greater the value of the R plus by R minus radius ratio, the higher the value of the coordination number. The sequence arrange the decreasing crystal lattice energy equal to D is the right answer. Electronegativity increases, crystal lattice always increases. Due to the formation of the Schottky defects, the density of the crystal decreasing. Higher the value of the lactic energy crystal, the greater the crystal information. The hardest substance is called carbonium. This is silicon carbide. Graphite is a good conductor because it's a free electron present. The increasing order of packing fraction of the crystal system, SiC 52%, FCC 74%, BCC 68%. Therefore, A is the right answer. 39. Which of the following is a Frenkel defect? Silver chloride. Sodium chloride, Schottky defect. Which among the following inverse spinal? A is a inverse spinal. B, C, D all are normal spinal. The radius of the cesium and chlorine. J8. This is a BCC structure. Which among the following superconductor? Mercury. The p-type semiconductor is obtained with doping silicon with gallium. The Bragg equation 2D lambda 2D sin theta. When germanium is doped with phosphorus, then the semiconductor in X, n-type semiconductor, the excess electron. Which one of the following is not p-type semiconductor? D is a not. This is n-type. Ruby laser is obtained when the some aluminum ions, aluminum trioxide is replaced by chromium 3+. Ferromagnetism of the metal is lost a Curie temperature. Ferromagnetic Curie temperature. 49. Superconductor is Meissner effect. According to the band theory of the bonding, conduction occurs in very good conductors because valence band and conduction band overlap together. Which one of the following defect increases the dielectric constant of material? Frenkel defect. Which of the following favors higher lactic energy in ionic compound? Small ion, high charge. Which of the following examples of spinel? B. For a ferromagnetic substance, the magnetic permeability K greater than 1. The point defect which lower the density of material is Schottky defect. The p-type semiconductor, the conductivity is mainly due to the positive hole. The germanium doped with arsenic n-type. 58. Born-Haber cycle equation. Del H formation equal to del S sublimation plus ionization energy plus half dissociation energy from electron affinity plus lactic energy. Therefore, 771 minus 1567 equal to minus 796. B is the right answer. 59. Give the example of the crystal system. All the three axes are perpendicular. Alpha, beta, gamma equal to 90 degree. A equal to B, not equal to C. There is a tetragonal type of the structure. Yes or no to B is right answer. Example. The crystal side is written vacant by the Romulo structural unit in the lactics. The defect is called Schottky defect. The Miller indices of the crystal plane cut through the crystal axis 6A, 3B, 6C, therefore into 1 by 6, therefore answer 1, 2, 2. Which of the following principles are used in laser stimulated emission? 63, match the following. B is the right answer. 64, match the following. C is the right answer. 65, incorrect statement. The aqueous solution of the nickel oxide doped with the lithium oxide causes change in color and conductivity. Correct. Cation displacement from the normal side known as Schottky defect. Displacement nadakadu, missing the, therefore is incorrect. The electron occupying the anion site is called epicenter, sodium chloride, correct. Fourth one always correct, therefore D is correct. B is incorrect only. 66, incorrect statement. Second only is incorrect. All solid state question maximum reference books by the J.D. Lee and A.R. Anthony West. இந்த 66, 65, 67, 8 எல்லா கொஷினுமே நமக்கு ஆண்டனி ஆர்வெஸ்டில் இருக்குது. 67, memory based question, ionic crystal lactic energy A is right answer. 68, Anthony Arvest question, memory based, C is the right answer. 69, A ferromagnetic gadolinium ion correct, antiferromagnetic potassium permanganate correct, ferrimagnetic iron correct, paramagnetic vanadium oxide copper oxide, therefore is incorrect. 70, C is only the incorrect, all are correct memory based. 71, the limiting radius ratio of the tetrahedral, octahedral and cubic sites in solid expectability B type. 72, find the incorrect statement. B is right answer. A and D is incorrect. The remaining is correct. 73, which one is solid electrolyte? Alpha silver iodide. Which is commonly used in solid state laser? Ytterbium aluminum oxide. C is the right answer. 75, the first order of maximum Bragg X-ray diffraction spectrometer sodium chlorophyll 30 degree. The wavelength X-ray used 1.5. The interplanar distance D equal to 1.5. 76, wrongly correct matched. D is a wrongly correct match because iron and gadolinium is correct. Zinc oxide is white coal but turn yellow on heating. The reason metal excess defects. Neutron diffraction involves both nuclear and magnetic scattering. The value of the modeling constant depends on the geometry of the crystal, depends on the value of the radius. Therefore, A and C is both are correct. In conductor, there is large number of free electrons. The temperature at which ferromagnetic material becomes a ferromagnetic Curie temperature. The magnetic susceptibility of the ferromagnetic material is given by the relation B is M by H. The N type of extrinsic semiconductor obtained when phosphorus is added to silicon. At Curie temperature, the ferromagnetic material becomes the ferromagnetic. The Schottky defect is crystal is observed when equal number of anion cation missing the lactics. Which of the following possess physical property value are different in different direction? Crystalline solids. The essential action for laser is stimulated or emission. An ionic solid is poor conductor of electricity because the ion are not free to move the solid. Therefore, இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம சாலிட் ஸ்டேட் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்தோம். இதை தொடர்ந்து நம்ம மற்ற பகுதிகளும் பார்த்துட்டு வரப்போகிறோம். நம்மளோட சேனலை நம்ம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலைன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுவோம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.